values are not an exercise in public relations. They are what we believe and how we operate. So, here's the big question. Does the senior leader live the values and keep the commitments? The second step, modeling, is all about leaders living the values and keeping the commitments. Living the values and keeping the commitments means doing what you know you should do, even when that means having a difficult conversation. It means upholding the values even when that takes you out of your comfort zone. Living the values is what we want from the team, but it always has to start with the leader at the top. It is great when all the leaders in the organization live the values and keep the commitments. In fact, that is the best case scenario. But modeling the values means one leader, the senior leader, is living the values and keeping the commitments on a daily basis.